Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a little bird. I see a little duck looking at me. Little duck, what do you see? I see
You missed a page. What is that?
Little duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse. What do you see? Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me.
A purple what?
A purple cat.
Oh my goodness.
Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black lamb looking at me. Black lamb, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me.
A teacher?
Teacher, what do you see?
What is that?
Children. You see me, children. I see you, children.